Hello, so today we'll be showing you 250 watt 300 rpm PMG. Okay, this is a flange mounting and it is a 3-phase having a star connection. 3-phase 1, 2, 3 RYB, and this is a neutral. Face to face are connected with the bulbs, okay, LED bulbs. Okay, so right now it is having amperage around 3.5 ampere. Okay, every phase. Okay, अब फेस चेंज करना, दूसरे फेज में दिखा दो, अराउंड 4.2 एम्पेयर. ओके, नाउ वोल्टेज दिखा दो. वोल्टेज द आरपीएम इज अराउंड 306 आरपीएम. ओके, एज यू कैन सी voltage is 215 voltage. Okay, face to face 215 voltage every phase. Okay, so right now it is having without feet. The feet is this side. Okay, but it is connected with only the hand power because it is a flange mounting. Okay, thank you.